Welcome, let's talk about Pi. Millions are waiting. Millions holders, millions of pioneers, globals are waiting for Pi. And we are hoping that this coin will fully become a crypto coin this year. Actually, they did a survey and you see that so many people said after this year, if Pi is not launched, they will not open the app again and they will not mine again. So for now, they still believe that the coin will soon launch. And according to statistics that was carried on Asia continent, a lot of people are also complaining the same thing. And when you come down to Europe, there's also people actually say they are using Pi, they are still mining Pi. So they still believe that the Pi network will soon launch their mainnet. So the survey that has been carried out on Pi shows that millions of Pi holders are still with Pi. Millions of Pi holders are still waiting patiently. Millions of Pi holders still believe that their coins, what they have done for Pi, it cannot just go in vain. They believe it will be launched and they believe they can make a lot of money from it. But because they also ask questions of when will you give up if Pi fails to launch their mainnet? A lot of people said after 2023. They at least 24% are saying 2023. You will see about 70% saying 2024. But with 2025 coming in with 10% saying 2025. And from already almost 15 to 18% have already given up. They say they are not doing again, they are not mining, but they are waiting, they are monitoring. But I say they should be mining, they say no, or doing some. So they're just waiting for Pi to launch. So people are already getting tired while some people are getting ready. So I believe, although this survey was carried out by some group of people who have been following Pi and who have been preaching the gospel of Pi on social media. So I believe that Pi network themselves, the teams, the developers are seeing all this because they tag them on Twitter and other social media to see the survey, for them to know that, look, we are waiting. Look, we are going to give up on whatever thing you are planning if you don't do this. So I believe they are now fastening, they are now working more harder to get this coin out. Okay, so I believe that with this survey, it will definitely also help Pi to get more, for the developers to launch Pi coin more faster. And let's wait and see what will be coming out before the end or for the middle of this year, before the end of June. Let's wait to see which news, if Pi will be launched before then or we have to wait before the end of this year. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next video. Most times we talk about the new crypto coins that can make you profit, and most times we also give you tips on how to trade and also tips on what to do in some coins that are actually losing. Thank you.